always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. I spy shapes everywhere. Circles, triangles, ovals, squares, stars, rectangles, so many kinds. See how many we can find.
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. You're just in time. I was about to check the mail. I'm expecting a letter from Ms. Panda. Let's check the mail together. Are you coming? Look, there's a letter in our mailbox. It's addressed to Mr. Goose, the Treehouse, Animal Island. That means it's for me. Could it be from Ms. Panda? It is from Ms. Panda. I'll open it. There is a letter and some pictures inside. I'll read the letter out loud.
Hello, everyone. I'm visiting my friend. Everywhere I go, I see shapes. I've sent you some photos.
Ooh, let's look.
What shape do you see in the first picture?
Do you see it?
Star.
Well done.
What shape do you see in the second picture?
Oh, I think I see it.
Star.
Fantastic.
What shape do you see in the last picture?
What shape do you see?
Star.
Yes.
Can you find shapes on Animal Island? Love, Ms. Panda.
That's a great idea. We'll make star our special shape of the day. Let's look for stars on Animal Island.
Let's look for shapes in Coconut Cove. Let's look for stars, like this. Do you see one? Yes. I see one. Do you see it? Right. Let's look for one more. Yeah! Let's look for more. I see one. Yes! Let's look for another one. Yay! Let's look for one more. All right! I'm glad we got to play together. Let's look for stars. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you! Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Squares. Stars. Rectangles. Hey, I have an idea. Look! We did it! Yay!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Sizing Things Up. This book is about big things and small things. Let's read it. Let's begin. Sizing Things Up. Written by Aparna Kapoor. Illustrated by Debjyoti Saha. The world is full of creatures and things. Some are big, some are small, most are somewhere in the middle. These are some of the biggest things we know. These are some of the smallest things we know. Some things look big because they're surrounded by smaller things. The same things may look small when they're surrounded by bigger things. What looks big from close by may look small from far away. Big things make bigger things. Bigger things make huge ones. Huge things make ginormous ones. Ginormous things make super-duper mega-jumbo ones. Small things are made of smaller ones. Smaller things are made of tiny ones, which are made of eeny-teeny-weeny things. But even the eeny-teeny-weeny can make a super-duper-mega-jumbo difference in this big, small world. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, everybody. It's time to sing a song together. This is a song about playing with your friends. Are you ready to sing and play?
I love to sing.
And I love to play.
Perfect. I'll sing it first, and then we'll all sing together. Hey, hey, oh, playmate, come out and play with me. And bring your dollies 3. Climb up my apple tree. Slide down my rainbow. Across my cellar door. And we'll be jolly friends forevermore, more. Now everybody join in. I want to hear you too.
Hey, hey, oh playmate, come out and play with me. And bring your dollies 3. Climb up my apple tree. Slide down my rainbow. Across my cellar door. And we'll be jolly friends forevermore, more.
Thank you so much for singing with me.
Let's go climb trees!
Yeah, yes, oh,
Yes!
yeah,
Hooray!
yes.
Let's do it! Bye, Mr. Frog!
Goodbye, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Upside down! Upside down! Umbrella! Umbrella! Under! Under! Up! Up!
What letter do all these words start with?
U!
That's right, the letter U.
Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock.